Hello YouTube family, welcome back, and let's provide a solution given this math problem, which is x plus 9 to power 2. This is equal to 49. So what is the value of x? Solution, okay? So we have x plus 9 to power 2. This is equal to 49. Now x plus 9 to power 2, this is in the form of a plus b to power 2, which is expressed as a to power 2 plus 2ab plus b squared. Now applying this property, we'll have x squared, okay, plus 18x plus 9 squared, which is 81. This is equal to 49, okay. Now from what we have here, you find that we'll have x squared, okay, plus 18x plus 81, subtract 49, this is equal to 0. All right. Now, this is the same thing as x to power 2 plus 18x, okay, plus this is 32. This is equal to 0. All right. Now, this is a quadratic equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. This is equal to 0. Okay. Now, from what we have here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 18, and c is equal to 32. Now, let's apply the quadratic formula to solve for the value of applying the quadratic formula. That is applying the quadratic formula. This x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Divide this by 2a. Okay. Now, this is the same thing as substituting a, b, and c. Will have negative 18 plus or minus, this is 18 squared, subtract 4 times 1 times that 2. Divide all this by 2 times 1. Now, this is the same thing as negative 18 plus or minus the square root of 18 squared, this is 324, subtract 4 times that 2, and this is equal to 128. Okay, divide this by 2. So this is equal to negative 18 plus or minus the square root of, that is 324. Now we have negative 18 plus or minus the square root of 324, subtract 128 divided by 2. So this is negative 18 plus or minus 324 subtract 128. This is actually 196 divided by 2. So we'll have negative 18 plus or minus the square root of 196, which is equal to 14, divided by 2. We have x is equal to negative 18 plus or minus 14 divided by 2. So x is equal to, now this is negative 18 plus 14, okay, divided by 2. Now this is negative 18 plus 14. This is actually negative 4 divided by 2, which gives us the first value of x as negative 2. Okay, and the second value of x is given as negative 18. Okay, subtract 14 divided by 2. So this is negative 32 divided by 2, and that gives us the second value of x as negative 16. So we have two values of x, that is x1 is negative 2 and x2 is equal to negative 16. Okay, now let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. Okay, so if you recall, we end at x plus 9 raised to power 2, this is equal to 49. Okay, so let's substitute. Let's first of all check x1. x1 is equal to negative 2. All right, so let's substitute this negative 2 with what we have here. So this is negative 2 plus 9 raised to power 2. This should give us a value of 49. So negative 2 plus 9, this is equal to 7 squared, which is equal to 49. So 7 squared is equal to 49, which is equal to 49. And that means that the right hand side, okay, is equal to the right hand side. That is for x1. Let's check x2. Let's verify that x1, which is negative 2, and x2, which is negative 16, actually satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we end at x plus 9 raised to power 2. This is equal to 49. Now, let's substitute the first value of x, that is x1. So, we'll have negative 2 plus 9 raised to power 2. This should give us a value of 49. So, negative 2 plus 9, this is 7 raised to power 2. This should give us a value that is equal to 47 squared is 49, which is equal to 49. So that means that x1 satisfies the equation. X2 is equal to negative 16. So let's substitute this back to the equation. So we will have negative 16 plus 9 raised to power 2. This is equal to 49. Now negative 16 plus 9, this is negative 7 raised to power 2. This is the same thing as 49. So negative 7 squared, this is equal to 49, which is equal to 49. All right. So that means that x1 and negative 2 and x2 negative 16 actually satisfies the equation. So thank you for watching. Kindly like this video, okay, comment and subscribe.